How to create Google Calendar invite link. Hello everyone, this is Max. Welcome back to another tutorial video. So let's start without wasting any time. Also make sure to watch this video till the end. First of all, open up your Play Store. Now tap on the search icon. Now tap on the search bar and type calendar. Now click on search. Now tap on Google Calendar. Now make sure to update to the latest version. After updating, simply tap on open. Now tap on the plus icon. Now click on event. Now add your title. Now scroll down. Now select date of your event. Now tap on OK. Now if you want to add people, tap on view schedules. Now tap on save. Now once you do that, tap on the save icon at the top right corner. Now click on invite via link. Now tap on the copy the link. Now go to any website or web browser. Now go to any social media app and send the link. And that's it. Thanks for watching. Make sure to subscribe our channel and hit the bell icon. See you in the next video.